Assalamu alaikum little kids. Hope you all are fine and doing well. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to learn the concept of after numbers. After numbers mean forward counting from the given number. Now students, do you see this caterpillar? In this caterpillar we have 23, 24, 25, 26. Now which number will come after 26? Yes, 27. Always remember, in after numbers, the number always bigger than the previous number. In this, the 27 is bigger than the 26. Now we have 16, 17, 18, 19. Now tell me which number will come after 19. Yes, 20. Now look this caterpillar, we have 46, 47, 48, 49. Students, which number will come after 49? Yes, 50. That's right. Okay little kids, do it on your notebook as your assignment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.